Pause on that. And now I want to touch on just a thing that this stuff is available all over the world, except in America. This is one I ran across. These are AAC, autoclaved aerated concrete blocks. They're big. Etong is the first one I ran across. And I'm just going to zip through this. Here's the homeowner coming in, and the guy throws a block at him and says, here. And the guy, well, that's pretty easy. You know, I can help. He goes, yeah, you can help. So it's kind of a comedy thing. Very cute. I mean, it goes through everything from the foundation to, you know, the final product. Laying the foundation, pouring it, and I had about 100 screenshots of that. Now you go from that to, that was one company. And again, like those are very specialized. I'm not rolling anymore. What's going on? Oh, I'm going the wrong direction. Okay. Eton, you know, they're getting up here. These are like steamed. Well, I would say steamed. Now, that's one company. And then I started, a little while later, I ran across, try to roll it up here really quick. It's pretty neat because you can put your hands in between them. Now, these are all the same exact block, different company, different country. These are Texo block. LV, if anybody can tell me what that is. This guy sounds like he could be, I don't know, Lithuania, Latvia, Ukrainian. But same thing, same exact thing, same exact process. I mean, this is a worldwide process. You can put together a mansion in just a few days. Now, it is a mortared system. But everything on this is brainstormed. I mean, you can fiber reinforce, you can do flat rebar, cut the block with a handsaw, do your windows. That's putting in a window there. Okay. So, okay, Texo block. These are air rock. Light as air, strong as rock. Hard as rock, rather. There's a house they built. Same exact stuff. Here's looks like a kid and his grandpa. They're cutting the block. Laying mortar down. Grandpa's chiseling out a thing for rebar. Aeroc, A-E-R-O-C. Okay. That is, I'm fairly sure, Ukrainian or Russian. And then there, I started seeing, oh, here's rock light, same stuff. This guy's just, you know, he had a power scraper out of there, doing a really nice job instead of doing it by hand with a hammer and chisel. They all have this scraping tool looking fairly similar. That'll do the same thing. I mean, you can just drag that out by hand, but this guy's doing a really nice, neat job because it's in their facility. And there's another one. Cubum, looks like. SYBYT.RU, Russia. Another one, exact same stuff. And there was, I thought there was one more. Anyway, gives you the idea. Now, can you get those in America? No. There was a facility that made them. They pulled out a few years ago. Can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, but anyway. Point being is finding any of this stuff is difficult. Now, the blocks I told you about, this light block, where you made them with the molds. There's a company in America, Cresco, that makes those blocks and sells them, not just in America, North America. So they will sell you the molds if you live outside of Canada, the United States, and Mexico. Other than that, you got to buy blocks from them. Well, there's hundreds of factories around the world that build these molds. Like I said, there's some that have 5 in here, some that have 6, so you can make 10 or 12 at a time. Those are pretty phenomenal. I like that design. I really like the stumble block, and like I said, I've already got worked out with the guy to pricing and everything. So I'm planning on putting together an order for stumble block. I have a playlist on my site, and take a look at that. Go through it, read about them, and if you're interested in going in with me on that order, I have it worked out to where if you want to just get some to try them out, you can do so at as cheap a price as I can do them. And if you want to go in basically to get enough to do a semi-decent production, you're welcome to do that as well and get a discount. I'm going to do like a 20 and 30% discount on larger orders. So you can pool orders with somebody else and, get me the money, we'll get an order in. Okay. So that's about it. So this is the Stumble Block, STUMBELBLOC.com plastic injection mold. So I would like to get those and make a lot of these blocks. It's a business, Whoever's making the blocks can do it as a business. Whoever's building with the blocks can do it as a business. So it provides the capability for people to build houses, spring houses. We can build root cellars, tornado shelters, pools, ponds. In other words, for fish production, you can build a pond in 1 hour. Tornado shelter, spring house, root cellar, all those things, homes, garage, whatever you need. And they would be fast and efficient. So that's one of my intentions. And the other thing too is with it being able to build a pond out of, you can also berm it and bury it and make an underground house. So, and just use technology from Mike Ayler, the $50 and up underground house. It can be done. So there you go. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. If you're listening to this, you are the remnant. Okay. Since everybody wants a half an hour, I'm going to continue this. This is Talon. You can't see that. Talon71 Gmail. The guy who's done a lot of aircrete experimentation with the Green Dragon from Dome Gaia. And what this is he did a video. Go watch his video. Advanced Filament Technologies, LLC, out of Houston, Texas. This is basalt fiber stuff, okay? Pseudoglass, Advanced Filament Technologies, LLC. Look them up. Am I seeing the website? I don't know. Phone 281-496-5427. Pseudoglass.com. There it is. Pseudoglass.com. This guy got Talon Harry is his name. And I found out how to make the thing go. You roll the mouse. Okay. So this is a different one. Basalt fiber. Rock rebar, they call it. It's made out of rock. And you mix that into your concrete and it strengthens it. This coil has been in storage for 4 years. This guy rolled it out and it's perfectly straight. 140 pounds of rebar that's twice as strong as steel and about a fourth the weight. That coil and rebar would probably be, 500-600 pounds. It don't weigh hardly nothing. This is rawenergymaterials.com. Don at rawenergytech.com. 954-270. 9000. Take a screenshot of that. This guy's got some amazing stuff. Okay, this is Harry. I don't know how I got those mixed up in there, but That's a piece of rebar. There's this guy, Harry, got a whole bunch of samples. You can see some chopped fiber here, some screen, some mesh, whatever you call it, the right way. There's some rope there. He said that stuff is super strong. That little piece there, which looks like it's 1/4 inch maybe, he said he can't break it with 2 hands on it. Screen. So that you get the idea that you can make about anything with this stuff. Super strong. Some of the stuff looks like it was done in a computer factory. It's so techy. I'll show you that in a minute. Bunches of samples. Satin weave basalt fabric made with 9-micron basalt fiber, weight 220 grams per square meter, 6.45 ounces per square yard, 100 square centimeters, 39.4 inches. I mean, they got it in metric and standard. SAE. Pseudoglass is a registered trademark of advanced filament technology. There's a good shot of their card. Screenshot that. That's what I do. That's what I'm doing here is I'm just showing you stuff that I have screenshot so I can do a slideshow presentation like this. And the stuff is beautiful. Look at the detail on that. I mean, that is intricate. Look at that right in there. Looks like it was done in Silicon Valley for computer terminals, but that's just the weaving, like spider weaving. Just absolutely amazing. Lightweight, inexpensive. There's that little piece of rope, cord, whatever you want to call it. There's a tube for whatever reason. High heat resistant. So this is a thing about basalt. Most of your spalling on bridges and stuff, rusting, comes from rusting rebar. Well, basalt won't rust. Basalt rock rebar. Engineered polymer developed in the Soviet space program. Sanded finish. 2.5 times stronger than stainless steel and 4 times lighter. Amazing. You can look at that. I tried to get the video shot of what I pulled it off of. I don't know where I got that, but it was. There's a piece of basalt with aluminum backing. This is Harry. He's showing that chunk of normal Portland cement, once he heated it up with that torch, it was very hot, and it took a long time, half an hour, maybe an hour, to cool down. So he put the torch here while he's talking on this piece of aircrete and came back, and he can put his hand on the other side of it. So fireproof, pest-proof, soundproof, heat-proof, in other words, thermal insulation, camouflage. It'll be impervious to thermal imaging. So anyway, that's about it. I'm going to tie it up there. I also found that I can punch the thing and go back to the that. But that's about it. So my intended project is to get these stumble blocks. So study up on stumble block. And I'm thinking that's the way to go. So, alrighty, that's it. This is Jerry Diamond. Thank you for your time and patience, and I'll get this all figured out better, and we'll go with it. I'll be looking at foam generators. I'm going to take the one apart we have and do a video on it, show you the contents. Other than that, yeah, we bless everybody, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.